Step 4 of 5 on how to make your first $1 million. Step 4 is in skill set. You want to always continuously read and improve your knowledge base, your skill set, and you want to upskill yourself to become the very, very best in your industry. You want a skill that's going to set you apart. For me, in the senior care industry, my highly specialized skill was in caring for patients with movement disorders. I became the very best at it. So if I were to say to a family, I charge $50 an hour to send you a restorative therapy aide or a rehab nursing technician to help work with your mom or your dad, there was no question about that. Why? Because that service was not available anywhere in the city. But I was able to also bring the results, filling the gaps that the Medicare, the primary care physicians, the PTs and the OTs created along the way. When I say created, I mean a hospital functions a specific way. A home healthcare company functions a specific way. Our healthcare system is very fragmented in the sense that the services and the information are not all in one place. A hospital provides you inpatient and or ICU services. A home healthcare provides you the education on how to do your therapy so you could get better. A home care company provides you supportive living. So there are gaps in between. So when you are building your first million, becoming the very best at any specific skill that fills the gaps or closes the gaps or serves to prevent gaps in the healthcare system, you will do very well. What does it take to build skill set? Time, commitment, and the interest to become and remain a lifelong learner. You want to read at least 1 hour a day, Monday to Friday, in your industry. You want to spend half an hour every Sunday reading the business section of the newspaper. Yes. So somebody's saying, oh, we don't read newspapers anymore. When the city needs to put out a program, or a company, a nonprofit organization, or the government needs to put out a program, the old guide is that the programs must be published in the newspaper. It did not say it needs to be put on the digital online platform. It did not say that it needs to be the electronic newspaper. It says it needs to be printed and published in the newspaper. Reading the business section of the newspaper every Sunday will be a very valuable activity for your company. You want to become the very best at one specific thing. And then you want to belong to a class of your own. Being in the middle does not work. Having the same skill set like the other competition there doesn't work. The middle is not an effective place to grow a business. You want to either be below or you want to be above. If you are above, being above must not only be priced higher, but you must bring massive value and transformation to your clients. Then at that point, you can command any dollars and make any kind of money that you want. That is the 4th of 5 steps you need to take to make your first million. In our next video, we're going to talk about the last step, how you get that going.